The next thing is find the truth. Truths are powerful. A single truth can change a nation. A single truth can change your marriage. A single truth can change education. A single truth can do great and mighty things in nations and in people. But truth itself is freedom. Truth is different than truths. And to pursue truth above all other things is a very rare breed indeed. A person who is true, a person who finds the truth, becomes unconquerable. The person who finds the truth instead of just truths. Because truths in the pocket of an individual, become something that you control, something that you wield, and you decide when and when not to use these truths as tools. They become forms of idolatry or idols, and they do have tremendous amount of power, but it's not greatness. It's not freedom. From one of my favorite authors, James Allen, it is bravo who conquers another, but he who conquers himself is supremely noble. He who is victorious over another may in turn be defeated, but he who overcomes himself will never be subdued. And the only way you can find that place, the only place that you can find where you are never moved, you are never changed, no matter what your external circumstances, you are living in truth. The only way to find that is you have to love truth over all other things. And that's the ultimate goal of everything that I do. But I want above all other things to help you find truth. Because only there can you be in a concentration camp and find greatness and find happy. Only there can you have everything stripped from your person, lose everything in life, and still find satisfaction. Only a person who loves truth more than any other thing can find it. Now, we can use this path of success, we can use all of our other teachings to help people get there. And there are very few people that will. A lot of people are going to say, like that person I was talking to earlier, you know what? I like my weaknesses. I like my pockets of truth. And that's okay. We're going to help you do that. We're going to help you make money. We're going to help you become everything you want to become. But if you want true freedom, if you want absolute, then you have to find truth.